Hi, I'm Victoria. I'm a documentary filmmaker. I'm going to show you the quickest way to get your footage from 16:9 to 9:16 for social media. And I promise you, it's this quick. I edit in Premiere Pro. And when I take a project I want to put to social media and I want to swap it to 9:16, I want it to be as fast as possible. And the fastest way is Premiere Pro's Auto Reframe tool. If I have a video that's already been exported, color graded, all the things, and I'm bringing it back into Premiere Pro, I'm going to start by using the Scene Edit Detection tool. Scene Edit Detection tool is going to go through and break that down into the original edits. But if I'm starting with the original clips, then I'll just skip that step. Once I brought my footage into the timeline, I'm going to go ahead and use the Auto Reframe tool. As a documentary filmmaker in the field, everything I shoot is always going to be in horizontal 16:9 standard. But if I want to post on Instagram, TikTok, and other social medias, I like to convert to a more standard vertical video format. So instead of manually going through and keyframing to make sure everything fits exactly how I want to, I can just use Auto Reframe. From there, I can select whatever format I want to, and if you're looking for like 1:1, you can do that. I'm normally looking for 9:16, so I'm going to make that selection. After giving it a moment, Auto Reframe will go through and reposition every part of the video to optimize the shot so you can see everything that you want to see. But if you don't like anything that it does, you can always go back through and manually make adjustments. This can be done easily by going to Effect Controls and looking at the Auto Reframe settings to make motion tracking adjustments or to offset the position or scale. This tool is essential in my workflow. It saves me so much time and allows me to focus more time on the creative elements of the edit. And just like that, your video is ready to post. Click the link in the description to discover more Adobe Creative Cloud productivity tips.